In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right OlympTrade app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and look for this app called Google Play Store on your Android smartphone and tap on it. From here, you'll see we have this option called search. Go ahead and tap on it, and then it will activate the search option above here. So if you go ahead and search for, just type in OlympTrade app, you can see app is here. This will take you to this page where we have this Olymp Trading online app. And as you can see, we have another OlympTrade here. This is OlympTrade Flex Trade, and you have Olymp Matrix trading bots here. For a case we don't want that, we want the trading platform, which is OlympTrade. Go ahead and tap on it. Here is the logo of this app, and you can see it is from OlympTrade company with the tagline trading online. At the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4, and it has over 972,000 reviews. Currently the file size is 24 MBs with over 100 million downloads. To get this app, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download OlympTrade app on your smartphone and then install it. Once the app has been installed, you can now proceed and tap on open here, or if you go now to your apps and scroll, you can see now we have OlympTrade app on your Android smartphone. So that's how you can install the correct OlympTrade app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.